Masking tape, paintbrush. Masking tape is a paper strip treated on one side with a sticky substance. It has excellent heat resistance. After removal from the base leaves no residue. Often used as protection for surfaces made of glass, wood, plastic, metal. Due to its frost-resistant, heat-resistant, and moisture-resistant ability, the product is in demand among consumers, who often face the question of how to properly glue a masking tape. How to glue the tape. What we pay attention to. The first thing to consider is the type of glue and the material used. It can be based on natural or synthetic rubber, based on acrylic or silicone. Each of them has its own characteristics and is suitable for various operating conditions. The masking tape should be adhered to, adhering to the following recommendations, which can increase adhesion. A thicker layer of glue will increase the adhesion force at times. High pressure will also positively affect grip. Glued surfaces should be made perfectly smooth. Paintwork base should be elastic. In order for the masking tape to last for a long time and after removal does not leave any marks on the surface, it should be applied to the prepared base, namely, clean, dry. Installation is carried out with sufficient pressure, while the temperature should not be below 10 degrees above zero.